Hi there, my name is Melissa Kinzer, and I just want to introduce to you a little bit about myself. I have some pictures of my family members. My two daughters are Cadence and Liesel. Cadence is 13 and Liesel is a year and a half. And up top, that is a picture of our family. This past summer, we went to a Chicago Cubs game. We love the Cubs, so we do try to make it whenever we can. And then also this summer, we traveled to my in-laws' lake house up in Michigan, and so I wanted to include a couple pictures of us traveling and also of our two fur babies. We have two dogs, Sammy and Rizzo. And on the bottom left, I wanted to put in a fun picture of me and my colleagues. That was us celebrating the last day of school this past year. We completed another successful school year and very fortunate to work with some amazing people. That's just a little bit about me and my family members. So obviously in my spare time we do like to travel when we can, and just love being around great family and friends. Looking forward to hear more about you all. Thanks.